Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Centrum Men. To begin, understand that Centrum Men is a daily multivitamin specifically designed to support the nutritional needs of adult men. It's packed with essential vitamins and minerals to help maintain your overall health and well-being. The recommended dosage is simple. Just take 1 tablet every day. Make sure to consume it with food and a glass of water for optimal absorption, and to minimize any potential stomach upset. Centrum Men offers several key benefits, supporting your energy levels, immune system, and metabolism. It's formulated with a comprehensive blend of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy production, and antioxidants like vitamins C and E to bolster your immune defenses. Additionally, this multivitamin provides important nutrients such as magnesium and vitamin D, both vital for maintaining healthy muscle function and bone strength. It's a simple way to fill potential nutritional gaps. Before incorporating Centrum Men into your routine, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Remember, multivitamins are supplements, not substitutes for a balanced diet. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage of 1 tablet, as more is not necessarily better and could lead to adverse effects. Always store your Centrum Men in a cool, dry place, safely out of the reach of children. To truly maximize your health, integrate Centrum Men with a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, alongside a consistent exercise routine. Staying well hydrated is also key. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout your day. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, a great resource is *The Simple Path to Wealth*. You can find a link to this book, along with other helpful deals, in the description below. Taking care of your body and your finances are both essential for a fulfilling life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.